Hollywood films have been using these for a very long time now to make special VFX and stunts for blockbuster movies. And have you ever wondered how these effects can be achieved without having to do them in real life? Why hello there guys, welcome to the Filmora Basics in Infovids. My name is Audrey and today we'll be taking a look at Chroma Key in wondershare Filmora. And not only will I be showing you how to use green screens, but I'll be showing you how not to use green screen. In other words, I'll be teaching you the fundamentals about it, like removing it and avoiding things that make removal hard. Watch this video till the end to get a further insight on this feature. So I'm in Filmora. My application has been opened and I've made a new project. What you want to do now is to import your media. What you need is a person in front of a green screen. If you don't have one of yourself, don't worry. You can always find these kinds of pictures on free stock video sites such as Pexels and Pixabay. You also need a background to put behind a subject. Here I've chosen this green screen video and this nice aesthetic background. Drag and drop your media over one another. Remember, the subject should be over the background. Here comes the fun part. Let's remove the green. Double click on your subject and scroll down to the Chroma Key feature. Click on the checkbox and you will see something happen to your video. The green disappears, but when you place your picture underneath your subject, the color of your background will alter. This is because the Chroma Key color in Filmora does not match the color of your green in the video. And there's a simple fix for this. Just click the eyedropper tool and pick out your green. Brilliant! Your green background will be gone now, and now your subject will be in the picture down below. I'll explain what all these properties do in just a moment. Offset, tolerance and alpha channel will allow you to adjust the clarity of your background. Edge thickness and edge feather will fix the edges of your subject. Adjust the levels of transparency, shadows and borders. Green screen basically lets you drop in whatever background image you want behind your subject. It is mainly used in film production and also in news and weather reports to simply place desired backgrounds behind your subject. The history of green screen began with the invention of Chroma Key technology in the 1930s. Believe it or not, that's how far green screens go. It originally started with blue screens and people today still use them. However, green is such a notable color to remove. Why? Well, check out this blog I found. Remember, all links to the site mentioned on the screen are mentioned down in the description of this video. And with Filmora, removing Chroma Key is a blast. If you plan on shooting your own green screen videos, there are some things that require your attention. The do's and don'ts when using green screen. Do not wear any type of green clothing or have anything else green in front of your screen. If you want to learn more about what type of outfits to wear, refer to aspa.com/blogspot. The link to the description is down below, so make sure to check it out. Always remember to keep your green screen background wrinkle free, or you'll have some problems and difficulties in keying out the green. Position your subject 4 feet away from your green screen. Why? Because this could cause green screen spill. Spill occurs when the green color from your green screen gets emitted onto your skin, and that's not good at all. If you get green screen spill, this means that you could eventually be keying out parts of yourself. So remember, position your subject 4 feet away from your green screen. Do not ignore the shadows. You constantly need to be aware if your shadow falls onto green screens. If this happens, it means you need an extra light. The lighting must also be even and soft. You can avoid this happening by following rules number 3 and 4. Always use a tripod and keep your video stable. To make a green screen work effectively, your camera must remain stable and at the same focus. And if you do this, then chroma keying out your green screen will be a piece of cake. If you want even more tips on how to film green screen like a pro, check out nofilmschool.com. The link to the blog shall be given out in the description down below. So, I've talked about how you can chroma key things out. I've talked about do's and don'ts for these kinds of things. What's next? Well, what's next is for me to tell you that sometimes you do not need to have a physical green screen. Search up green screen on Pexels and look for photos. Remarkably, you will see green screens in laptops, in phones, and in most cases, backgrounds. If you want to make your very own green screen on your laptop, just open up a solid green colored background and zoom it up so that it covers your entire screen. It's the same for photos. You just save an image of a very solid green color, open it up and scale it to fit your screen. If you want to shoot videos or pictures of people in front of green screens, you will need to have a physical green screen. And if you're planning on buying a green screen, then look for a chroma key green, or what you call a digi green. These kinds of greens chroma key out pretty easily than the others if you do the lighting right. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Are you going to try out something amazing with green screens? If so, please share your work down in the comment section. We would absolutely love to see some of your works. If you're a daily watcher on Infovids, then we'd love to know what you thought about our video. If you're new to Infovids, then welcome to this channel where we teach you a wide variety of topics ranging from video editing to photo editing. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our latest editing tips. All our tutorials and resources are completely free, and what makes us so special is that we turn difficult topics into simple and enjoyable projects. And with all this being said, you will definitely be sure to see me in the next video.